everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing my birthday glam look. Now I'm going to be taking this burnt orange coming from the BH Cosmetics 42 matte palette, and I love this burnt orange because I use this as a translucent shade and it really does well as far as blending out the colors that I use under the translucent shade that I use in the crease. So I love using this color, and this was supposed to have been a all through video, but I decided that I just wanted it to really focus on the eyeshadow look and the look itself. So kind of did some adjustments to the video, but hey, I hope you guys enjoyed it anyway. So I'm just going to be taking it, I'm going to be applying it to the crease. Then I am going in with the matte black, and I'm going to apply it to the outer V, blend it out very well. This also is a matte, when I say matte palette, you guys, this palette is so matte. The whole month of October, I've really been obsessed with this palette because you have so many looks to choose from. It's even better than the James Charles palette because I'm going to say this palette is 42 colors, right? Mattes, okay? It has all the colors that you need. You don't need to go all that and above just to get a nice palette and say, oh gosh, the colors are amazing. This palette is just perfect. Right up my alley. And I don't even own it, the James Charles palette. I just think it's better, in my opinion. Okay, so I'm just going to take the matte black and I went back in the same palette and I used that brighter orange to kind of blend out the black in the crease. And when I blended out the black with the crease, I kind of added the two shades that I applied together and kind of combine each shade, because once you combine each shade, you won't really see that harsh line. Just like on the other side of the eye, you can see that harsh line. So if you use a fluffier brush, it'll really get those shades blended in well. And then I'm going to be going in after I apply everything. I am going to go back in with concealer. I love going in with concealer, kind of clean up everything. And I love a nice concealer look. It's the bomb. It just, like, using concealer and then applying a good cut crease is just everything to me, especially for a birthday look. So I'm going to be taking, I'm going to cut and crease, and I did use the NYX Cant Stop Concealer in Golden. And then I'm going to go in with the ColourPop palette, and I'm going to take that nice shimmery bronze color and I'm going to apply it to the lid. And also I'm going to take the purple color and I'm going to apply it to the inner corner. Then I'm going in with the Diamond Cosmetics eyeliner in black. And then after that, I'm going to take LA Colors Lashes in Dolly to complete the entire look. And then I'm going to come back with a full face of makeup. And then also apply my lip gloss on camera. And that should be it for the birthday look. For foundation, I went in with the LA Colors Radiant Foundation in the shade Mocha. And when I say that foundation has been the talk of the foundation, because I always get questions on what foundations am I wearing, I say LA Colors, and they ask me what price. You'll be like, oh my goodness, yes. I don't need to spend an arm and a leg with foundation. And I love it because the full coverage is everything that I need. Everything I need. And I went ahead and I applied a lighter powder. And then I also applied my actual setting powder, which is Believe Beauty. I applied that. And then I applied my favorite eyeliner. Applied on my lips as lip liner. And then I took my Anastasia lip gloss in Fudge. And I applied it. And I thought that was the best combo ever, you guys. And this is the completed look.